How's it going, guys? Curtis back again. So in this video I'm doing my gravel bike build review. So these parts are what I'm going to be building up the bike with. It's just about looking like a sponsored deal by these guys, but trust me, this is nothing sponsored. This is all my own cash, and this build has been an ongoing thing since September 2020 is when I inquired about the gravel bike frame, and my goal was to build a custom gravel bike and just build it piece by piece over time. But the frame has been delayed month after month after month with all the COVID and factory delays and shipping delays, but I finally got the frame in my hot little hands. But in this video I'm not going to show you what frame I've got, but I'm just going to show you around all the parts and sort of show you what it's all about. And the sort of whole goal of this video is to say, hopefully I'm going to do a dream build style video. As you can see, the shed, she's a bit of a mess. My camera gear isn't the greatest. I don't know how I could do it, but I'm going to try and make a somewhat professional looking dream build video. But we'll start off. We got zip wheels here. These are carbon zip wheels, the more budget friendly version, 40 mil deep. Won't look into that too much. I've got all kinds of little carbon parts from China. All kinds of stuff going on here. Won't get into that too much. I got carbon fiber Wahoo bracket, all that kind of stuff. So I'm doing a SRAM Force group set, 11-speed mechanical, and the whole idea of this gravel bike is there was a few things I wanted. I wanted a standard size headset, standard size seat post, I wanted an all mechanical shifting, and just everything to be no hassles, just a reliable bike. So SRAM Force brakes and shifters. Went with these are Zip Explorer handlebars, so a little bit of a flare going on there. I had to get a whole heap of tools, so there's a little cheap bottom bracket tool. Hope carbon seat post. This thing is just she's a bloody beauty. I think this thing's going to stand out pretty nice. But we got that. Now the big expensive box. So hopefully I'm not going to get into this too much, but physique saddle, all SRAM parts, SRAM brakes, chain ring, needed a bleed kit, frame protection. Probably just showed my address then, but oh well. Zip stem, and a whole bunch of other parts which I'll save for the dream build. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So nah, you know what, I'll show you one thing I'm pretty happy about. We got this Garbaroot cassette, so 50 tooth cassette, 11 speed. But that's all I'm going to get into in this video. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll do a video on the frame, but I'm keeping it sort of low key at the moment, and hopefully I can put together a dream build video of some sort of quality that doesn't look completely amateur, but who knows. Anyway, peace out. I'll get this happening.